So, sige, solve na natin to guys. So, as is symmetrical, 3 phase, 240 supplies, minus delta load. 6 minus 8 ay ito. Ohms per phase. What is delta? So, sige, drawing muna tayo. Delta, di ba? So, delta is ito. Ito. We know that in delta, V line to line is equals to V phase. Same lang sila. Treat natin sila as parallel. But the I line is square root of 3 I phase. Yan. Then, para ma-solve to, we know that in I phase, we will have a V phase and the Z phase. Kasi, per phase tayo lagi, para mas madali. Kasi, since symmetrical naman sila. So, if we're going to solve this, we have 240 divided by 6 minus 8i. And the answer will be, calculate ko lang guys 14.4, 19.2 plus 19.2i. But, ito, I piece pa lang to. So, multiply natin na square root of 3. If you multiply it by square root of 3, you will arrive at the value of, guys, type ko lang square root of 3. 25 plus 32i. So, or pwede natin siya, i-solve ng in terms of y. Ang gagawin naman natin dyan is, alam naman natin na z delta is equals to 3 zy. So, convert that zy is equals to z delta over 3. Divide lang natin to over 3. Yan. Then, pagka-divide natin yan, in order to get the line current, since same naman sila ng line current, kapag y connected, we're just going to 240 divided by square root of 3. Divide netong values na to. Same lang yan. Same lang magiging values na. Yun lang guys.